Hi kids, today we will learn bird's name. Let's get started. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Goldfinch, G-O-L-D-F-I-N-C-H, goldfinch. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Hawk, H-A-W-K, hawk. Hummingbird, H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. Kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Macaw, M-A-C-A-W, macaw. Magpie, M-A-G-P-I-E, magpie. Moyna, M-Y-N-A, moyna. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Owl, O-W-L, owl. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Quail, Quail, quail.